Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Miss Anosha for those who are new here, and today I have a really fun DIY. I have been wanting to make fur jeans for like ever, like fur trimmed jeans, and I had this idea and I was like, oh, that'd be so cute if we put fur on the bottom, and I finally did it. Dun 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 dun. I can't really show you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. They're so cute. Like, these are officially my new favorite pair of jeans. I absolutely love them so much. And they were so easy to make. I got a pair of vintage jeans from the thrift store and I went ham. So if you want to see how I created these, keep watching this video. Okay, to start you will just need a container, a paintbrush, measuring tape, fabric glue, scissors, fur trim, and your jeans. You're going to start off by measuring the bottom of your jeans. This will determine how much trim you're going to need to use. Once you have your measurement, you're going to pull out your fur trim and you're going to cut it to the length that you measured. Then I'm going to go ahead and measure the other side against the trim that I just cut so that they are both the same size. So then you'll just have both trims ready for both legs of the jeans. Alright, now it's time to glue the trim on. So this glue is amazing. It's super strong, but it is very watery. So I don't recommend just pouring it out from the bottle. Definitely recommend putting it in a container and then using a brush to brush it onto the spots where you want glue. So I'm just gluing all the way down the trim on the borders before I glue it onto the jeans. So you kind of have to move fast here because you don't want the glue to dry. You have a little bit of wiggle room, but don't dawdle. Once you have the glue all around the trim, you're going to put it onto your jeans. I started at the seam of the jeans first just so I have somewhere to line it up, and then I made sure I lined the trim onto the bottom of the jeans and I went all the way around until it was stuck on. Once you have the trim in place, you're just going to squeeze down firmly, make sure that you have it all on there. And then what I did was pull back the fur to make sure none of it was stuck onto the jeans, and then I just press lightly on the base of the trim. Also, don't worry if part of the trim is not completely attached to the jeans. You can always go back with a small paintbrush and just glue on any parts that you see are sticking out or are not properly attached to the jeans. Then I just fluff them up and make them nice and pretty and full, and that is pretty much it. I am so in love with how these jeans turned out. They look so amazing and they're so cute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you try this DIY, be sure to hashtag Miss Anosha DIY. See you guys next time.